Howdy, and welcome back to Texan Shaves. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar, Day 9. Let's get right into it. Oh, man, I'm so excited. All right, I know you can't see it. Day 9's down here on the bottom corner. How you doing, Cowboy Santa? Let's see what Cowboy Santa brought us today. Oh, if I can get this one popped open, there we go. Now, for some reason, my bottom row, the perforations are already really loose and kind of already opening up, but nothing's completely open at all. There we go. Got it pried open here. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I always get excited when I get the glimpse of the name and the label there. All right, what is this one? Ooh, interesting. This one kind of has two names. All right, let me get this open. So this one is called Spice Trail North Sandalwood Forest. Now, I am a huge sandalwood fan, so I am very excited for this. Let's go ahead and get a whiff of the soap. Ooh. Oh, man. That is a beautiful sandalwood. Ooh, okay. Wow. All right, I am excited. I am very excited. Denatured alcohol, rose hydrosol, essential and fragrance oil, glycerin, aloe, benzoin, resin, mystical Eastern spices, and of course it is. Let's get a little bit of this on the back of the hand. Oh, man. This one is making me very, very happy. Very, very happy. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that is beautiful. Here's the sails right up. Hopefully you can read that. Pause it if you want. All right. Spice Trail North, and then parentheses, Sandalwood Forest. Scent profile, camphor, citrus, spicy, floral, powder, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli. I'm in love. Sandalwood leads the charge on this one. Yes, it does. Oh, it is. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's already changed. Wow, the camphor. Definitely getting the camphor now. I don't know if it's just my brain because I read it, but it's definitely coming through. All right. This pairs really well with a sweater, it says. That's a tip. Centuries ago, sandalwood was worth its weight in gold, literally traded along the fabled spice trails for gold, guarded by caravans and whispered about by monks. This sandalwood forward blend nods to that pilgrimage. Camphor winds, citrus sparks, and the deep resinous pull of patchouli and sandalwood. In medieval perfumery, sandalwood was prized not just for scent, but as a carrier of memory. Yes, I agree with that. Scholars believed it helped the mind hold on to knowledge. You'll know to be sure to remember that. Go north, young shave cadet. Go north. All right. Oh, man. I just want to sit here and see where else it goes. Starting to get that little powdery note now. Maybe even a little bit of the lavender. Didn't it say lavender? Yeah, it did. Definitely going into the patchouli now as well. Oh, I am so excited. All right, I'm going to get the lather together and the gear, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back, and let me tell you, this one is singing to me. This one has my name written all over it. I am so in love with this fragrance right now. For the hardware, I'm using the Phoenix Shaving Switchback 400 with the AP Shave Co. Pure Bliss Knot I set in the ferrule. Beautiful lather going on there. For the razor, I'm using, it's the aluminum Ascension Select Twist, but it's the older version with the flat bottom. I had, let me get to where I can get that. I'd found this in a BST group buy, or a BST buy. Very excited. And I can't remember if I've used this one yet or not, but we're using it today. So, yeah, there's so many select twists out of all different kinds of metals and designs and stuff. There's a lot of them out there. Let's get the glasses off, and we're going to do a head shave today. I don't have a whole lot. I had such a great head shave yesterday, but there's enough for a shave, so another reason why I decided to go with the aluminum, go with a lighter razor. All right, this brush is so loaded. I'm gonna take a little bit off there, and let's go in. Ooh. Apparently I put a little too much water on my head. There we go. Oh, jeez. Those of you that have been with me since the beginning, or any length of time, know how much I love sandalwood. Sandalwood, lavender, grapefruit, all of those are more of a aromatherapy type fragrance for me, and this one is just hitting all the marks for me right now. Absolutely. I believe I'll be putting more of this on before bed tonight. Man, it is so good so far. I mean, but we'll see when we get to the splash how I feel about it. Yeah, the splash is gorgeous. Oh, man. Let's get a little more water on this. Beautiful. All right, I can already say, I'll wait and confirm once we get to the splash, but I can say that so far, day 9, I'm calling day 9 right now. Currently, as far as 1 through 9, day 9 is my favorite. Day 9 is my number 1 right now. So beautiful. All right, let's get this razor wet and warmed up. Put you right there. And let's get the shave going. Beautiful. You know, this aluminum has a little bit of a different feel to it. I don't know if it's that flat bottom version. It's a little more blade feely than the others. I don't think I have used this before. This might be my first time. Or maybe I haven't used it on a head shave before, but definitely getting a bit more blade feel than out of the other Ascensions. Excellent shave, though. So I had a topic of discussion, and for some reason I have completely forgot about it because I've been taken aback by this fragrance that I can't remember what I had on my mind to talk about. Give me a second and see if it comes back. It's a Christmas discussion, of course. Feels like I had more to shave off than I thought. Maybe it's just the way this razor is. Oh, why does it smell so good? And thank God it does. Cowboy Santa, Cube, PAA, y'all brought it with this one. All right. Ooh, that was fantastic. Jeez. Do I have it? I got a little bit right there. And then my usual little spot back here that I gotta go in a few different angles. All right. Let's get back. Definitely got some blade feel. But not in an uncomfortable way. Now, the current aluminum version isn't like this. It's more like the rest of the Ascensions with the rounded bottom plate. Or curved bottom plate, I should say. Alright, let's see where we're at. Ooh, man. This is an aluminum beast. Taking care of business. Wow, that is super clear. Something about aluminum razors, they just kind of sing. They have that little pitch to them. Just a little bit over here. Wow, that's gone. Super efficient, jeez. I may have to use this razor more often. Sorry, between the scent and the razor, I have no Christmas conversation going on whatsoever. All right, I got a topic here. It's not the one I'd planned on, but let me get a rinse, come back up for the splash and my final thoughts, and we'll discuss that topic. Be right back. All right. Wow. I think that was the best shave yet so far. Both razor and fragrance. Out of, I guess I have not used that razor yet, because that experience was amazing. And then enhanced by that amazing fragrance by this one. Jeez. All right. Let's get to the best part. Spice Trail North. What's the subtitle? Sandalwood Forest. I'm loving it. I wish I was in I am in Sandalwood Forest right now. This is taking me there. Oh, so good. This is going all over. Oh, yeah. Instantly with the sandalwood. There's a little bit of citrus note at the top. I don't remember reading that. Oh, yeah, it's in there. Camphor citrus, yeah. The dry down, though, definitely goes into the darker patchouli. And there is a nice powdery creaminess to it. I know the creaminess is probably coming from that sandalwood. Man, that is so good. The lavender, it just floats and is tying it all together. It's light. Oh, geez. Oh, man, that is my favorite. That is my favorite so far. It's going to be hard for days 10, 11, and 12 to beat that one for me, honestly. I want a full set of this. This is my Christmas tome so far for 2025. That is so good. All right, subject. Tell me about the craziest Christmas party you ever attended, whether it was work or whatever. But let me know down below the craziest Christmas party you ever attended. Find your peace, and most likely it has to do with an open bar. That's where my stories come from. Find your peace in what and where you can. Have the happiest of holidays and Merry Christmas. And we'll see you next time on the Texan Shares. Goodbye.